everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Ritu Singh and I'm a beauty influencer, and today we are going to do a tutorial, a makeup tutorial, and we will be testing whether it's waterproof or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. In monsoons, I do this trick where I use my setting spray first and then I do my regular makeup procedure, which includes setting spray, primer, foundation, concealer and so on. So I'm going to do same today as well.
I spray the mist all over my face and cover it generously and wait for a few seconds to let it sit on my face. Moving ahead, I go with the mattifying primer. So I use a silicone based primers because it mattifies your face really well and it fills your pores like a dream, as you can see in this video. I just love this primer.
So during monsoons, less is more. So I am going with the foundation, but I'm not going to apply it directly on my face. I take one pump at the back of my hand and then will apply it with a sponge.
So today I'm using one of my favorite drugstore foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. It sits on your skin really well and I have only used one pump because less is more, and I'm dabbing it and blending it all over my face. Look at that finish. Now moving ahead, I'm going with Makeup Revolution Lunder IRL Matte Concealer.
So for concealer, I have learned this trick where you have to apply the concealer and leave it for a few seconds, and then you need to blend it. I love to blend my concealer with the beauty blender rather than a brush. It gives you a very airbrush finish and a flawless blend.
So here I have used 2 shade lighter concealer to brighten up my under eyes and the rest of my face. I am blending it in a dabbing motion and then setting my foundation and concealer with the setting mist and dabbing it into my skin. Now using Makeup Revolution double-ended contour plus highlighter stick. I really love this cream contour because it blends so easily and do not make your face very brown. It gives you that subtle warmth to your skin, and also I will be contouring my lips this time. Now with the contour brush, I am going to blend it, and you have to do in a circular motion. It makes your blending so seamless and so easy. Now applying my favorite cream blush from Eva Cosmetics, Timeless Mocha. I love the shade. I love that how it sits on my skin.
I love blush. Blush is something that I can't skip. Even if I don't apply any makeup, blush is something that I can't skip. Once you are done with all your cream or liquid products, now you have to set your under eyes and your face.
I usually don't like my under eyes to be very powdery or to be very matte. So I'm using Mamaearth Mattifying Glow Loose Powder. It's very lightweight and doesn't make your face cakey at all. And it mattifies correctly and gives you that gorgeous matte finish. Now to lock my cream contour, I'm using a powder contour from Wet n Wild. It comes in a combo of a compact powder and your contour powder. You need to set your cream contour. So similarly, you set your cream blush as well, and for that I'm using PAC Spotlight blush. I love the color and it has a tiny shimmery particles in it.
Once I'm done with my base, I like to set it up, and again I'm using a setting spray for that.
Now comes the most interesting part, eye makeup, and for that I'm using NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. I'm keeping my eyes very colorful yet subtle, so I'm using yellow plus mustard color on my eyes, and to add that pop of color I'm using Faces Canada colored liner in the shade purple, and I love the tip of this liner. Now using a waterproof mascara from Maybelline because we are doing waterproof and sweat-proof makeup, so it's really necessary to opt for a waterproof mascara. Makeup isn't complete without a lipstick, and I am using Lakme Absolute Mousse lipstick in the shade Nude Sensation. I absolutely love this color, goes really well on medium to fair skin tone. Now setting my face with the setting spray. I love how my makeup turned out. It looks so classy yet colorful, and I love the base. Also my lipstick complements my eye makeup really well.
Finally it's time to test this makeup, whether it's waterproof and sweat proof or not. For that I have a glass of water, so I will be testing it right now. Look at it. No transfer, so this makeup is waterproof and sweat proof as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. You can also recreate this look by using products available on Myntra Beauty. So don't forget to check that out and also subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel. I will be back soon with another exciting video. Till then, bye bye, love you.